Hey guys, thanks for clicking this video. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to file your LLC and your EIN number in the state of Georgia. And this process is super fast and easy. So click the link in the description below. It's going to take you to 𝗤𝙀𝙀𝗀𝗏's website. I'll show you on my computer screen at the same time you're doing it on yours, so that way you can follow along. This video tutorial is only about 5 minutes until you're done with your LLC. I've seen so many videos on YouTube that are like really long and complicated with chapters, and I honestly have no idea what they're doing. I'm telling you, this process is super fast and easy. So click the link in the description below or in the pinned comment, and let's just get right into it. So it's going to take you to the 𝗤𝙀𝙀𝙀𝗀's website, and I love 𝗤𝙀𝙀𝙀𝙀 because it just has everything business related all in one spot. So we're going to select Georgia, and now you're going to type in the name of your business to make sure it's available for an LLC. So I do eyelash extensions on the go. So yep, it's available. And what stage are you currently in? Just select what applies for you. And then as far as an industry, as you type in a letter, you'll see so many options come up, and they get really specific. So you can more than likely find something that you fall into. For me, eyelash extensions, and there it is. And are you providing either a professional service or a physical good? I'm providing a service, but if you happen to be doing both, feel free to click 2 of them or 1. And as far as employees go, let's just say I don't have employees, file my LLC, and then I decide I do want to hire employees. That's totally fine. It won't affect your LLC filing, and you won't have to change anything later on. So just select where you are at the moment. And now you're going to type in your zip code. For me, since I'm mobile, I use my home zip code, but if you have a shop or store, you can always type in that zip code. And are you serving customers online, like maybe e-commerce or a website? A brick and mortar could be like a shop, some sort of shop or store, retail, and on the go, it's like mobile, maybe landscaping, or what do they say, plumber, real estate. So I'm going to click on the go, but let's just say I had a website. I can click online, and if you have all 3, you can go for that. Now today we're going to select LLC, make sure it's highlighted in blue. And then I also want you to get your EIN number. So your EIN number is basically like the social security number of your business. So you're going to need it when you file your taxes, and you're also going to need it when you open a business credit card or a business bank account. So at some point down the line, you will need your EIN number. So I like that 𝗤𝙀𝙀𝙀𝙀 offers it all in one spot. And let's just say you needed like a license or a permit, or maybe you want a logo designed. They can do all that for you. So feel free to check out any of these others that you need. And you can just skip this. It's asking what we've done already. And you discovered 𝗤𝙀𝙀𝙀𝙀 through YouTube. Now, 𝗤𝙀𝙀𝙀𝙀 is offering its free 12-week business coaching program. I love this. I feel like it's something free. If it can help me make more money, like amazing, right? So it's up to you. You can hit no thanks if you want, but I like free stuff. So I'm clicking yes. And now you're just going to type in your personal information. And create a password. Okay, and real quick, I want you to look at the top. We're like almost halfway done, just so you kind of can see how fast this is going. So let's keep going. Now, EIN number. If you want to get your EIN number on your own, you don't have to pay the $99. You have to go through the IRS website. They only allow you to file during the weekdays. So for example, I'm filming this on a Saturday. I wouldn't be able to do it until Monday. I also feel like government websites are kind of tricky to navigate, and I just don't like doing that. So for me, it's completely worth paying $99. 𝗤𝙀𝙀𝙀𝙀 does it for me, and like I don't have to think about it. It's done. So I'm going to click have, help me get my EIN. And a registered agent. Now, don't get thrown off by this word. It's basically who is receiving the mail for your business about your LLC. So if you live in Georgia and you're opening your LLC in Georgia, you are going to be your own registered agent. Now, if you don't live in Georgia, but you're opening an LLC in Georgia, sometimes people do that for tax purposes. Maybe your accountant tells you otherwise, then you may need to assign someone that lives in Georgia. But like I said, you will be your own registered agent if you live in Georgia, so you can just click this option here. Are you sure? Yes. And every single year you need to renew your LLC. So if you forget to do it, you'll be charged a late fee, just extra fines and extra money that, like, there's no point of even paying that. It's just, I mean, you have to pay it, but I'm saying if you can avoid it, that is the best case scenario. That's what I'm trying to say. So Tailor Brands can renew it for you every single year. That way you don't have to stress about it. It's $199 a year. If you want to save a little bit of money like me, I will handle compliance on my own, but just remember it's really important to renew it. You don't want to lose the name of your LLC. Branding toolkit, I'm just going to click no here. And this is offering a expedited filing fee for your LLC. I want my LLC as soon as possible. So for me, it's worth the $49 to get it in 2 days. If you're not in a rush, you can do it in 2 weeks. They'll get it to you and you don't have to pay that $49. But like I said, I want my LLC. I want to get going with my business ASAP. So I'm going to click this option here. And you don't need to worry about an operating agreement. So click, I'll figure it out myself. And would you like a formation kit? It's up to you, but I'm going to click no. Okay, and I love this service that they provide. So Tailor Brands provides a service where they get you super organized with your finances, your bookkeeping, your invoices. So let's say you're really planning to grow your business. This is the best option to have, so you know where every single cent is going in your business. Now, they give you a free trial. At the end, they'll give you some price plan options of what you want to do. So definitely worth checking out, especially let's say, you don't really have a system set up yet or your business is growing. Definitely recommend checking it out. Right now my business is small, so I'm going to click this option here. But once my business grows a bit, I'm definitely going to have Tailor Brands do it for me. Okay, and yes, we want to get notified about our LLC. And you guys, they offer a couple different plans. Feel free to check these out. They do offer some good stuff in here. But for the purpose of this video, we only need this light plan. We don't need to pay anything extra. And now it's going to give us a breakdown of what we're paying for today. So the Georgia state filing fee is $100. That's just the mandated state filing fee for an LLC. Then we're getting our free business coaching program. And we're getting that $49 2-day expedited filing fee. That will be your charge for today. After they file your LLC, then you will be charged for the EIN. So the LLC is created first, then the EIN number. So now we're just going to go to payment. And that's it, you guys. So when we check out, enter your credit card information. After this, they're going to ask some other info, like the address you want, any contact information about your LLC to go to. For that, I always put my home address. They're not going to spam you. You're not going to get spam from other companies. It's basically where they need to contact you about your LLC. So if you have a shop or store, you can put that address. Like I said, I put my home address and I've never had issues with it. But that's it, you guys. You have just filed your LLC and EIN number. And I hope this was easy to follow along. But if you do have questions, please leave them in the comments below. And I'm more than happy to answer your questions. But for now, that's it. And I wish you guys the best of luck in your business. And I will see you guys in the next one.